Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how I turned a negative ROI campaign into a positive ROI. So we're going to go ahead and just get into the campaign itself here. So we can see that I added a campaign name and selected on-click traffic as the advertising format. So for the traffic type, I selected websites and the pricing model was CPA goal. So here in the target URL section is where I added my CPV lab link or tracking link. Now for the traffic sources, I did select exclusive inventory and partner traffic. Now I like to see how much volume I can get, and that's why I usually select both of these. Now if we scroll down, we can see that I selected Iraq. Now this is to match the offer, and the offer payout was about 45 cents. So I set the CPA goal to 1/3 the payout, which is 15 cents. And this has worked the best for me for low payout offers. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here, and we're going to see the advertising budget. So I set the daily campaign budget to about $17 and the total campaign budget to $17 as well. Now the targeting, the platform is set to mobile. The operating system was Android, and then the browser was Google Chrome. Now the browser language was set to Arabic, and the offer and landing page were both in Arabic, so that's why the language was set to Arabic. Now for the mobile ISP, Asian Cell I think was the only carrier allowed for this offer, so that's why Asian Cell is selected. So once I added all these settings here, I went ahead and ran the campaign, and I spent about 20 times the payout. I think quite a bit more than 20 times the payout. So after running almost $12 here, I had about a negative $1.11 here in profit. So from here, I went ahead. Let's go to CPV Lab. So here we can see that not all of these sub IDs were converting. Only we had a few here. So how I turned this campaign into a positive ROI was basically I sorted by conversions. And I copied all the profitable zone IDs and placed them into one separate campaign. So I grabbed all these profitable zones and I created a new campaign, and OPT stands for optimized. So I created this new campaign, 778, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the zone area, and I pasted all the profitable zones into one campaign or new campaign, and then I ran this traffic, right? So after I ran this traffic, after a day or so, I think after about a day or so, I spent about 15, almost $16, and I had about a $7.70 profit. So from here, I just tried to scale it after this. But this is basically how you take these negative campaigns into profitability. Is we basically just try to get all the positive sub IDs and keep running these, right? Because you're still optimizing, you're just optimizing at a lower price, right? I don't want to spend too much with these low payout offers. So I usually just do 20 to 40 times the payout, and then place those profitable zones into one campaign and keep running those zones and see what remains profitable. And we're looking for like stability, essentially. So you want to see what stabilizes, right? So once you can find something that stabilizes, like we can see, we have this zone right here, which is pretty stable. Once we have a strong zones, we can increase the budget and see how much volume you can actually get with these specific zones. So hopefully this helps you guys understand how to kind of turn your negative campaigns into positive ROI campaigns. If you need any help, just just post a message below, and I will try to answer as much as I can. So take care, guys. Bye.